Taeguk Powder, Poomsae number 8. This Poomsae consists of back stance, big, long reverse back stance, and tiger stance. Middle block, double low, inside block, half mounted, single and double knife block, and palm lock. Single, double punch, uppercut, back fist, and elbow strike. Front snap kick, double front snap kick, and aka ninja kick. Jumbi. Left hand, left foot, outside block, center punch, ninja kick, inside block, double punch. Step forward, big stance punch, left foot step, mountain block. Right hand turn, uppercut. Step, step, mountain block, left hand, uppercut. Right foot step back into back stance, double knife block, big stance punch. Front kick, step, step, tiger stance, palm block. Turn, double outside knife. Front foot kick, backhand punch, tiger stance, palm block. Repeat the other side. Front foot kick, backhand punch, tiger stance, palm block. Back stance, double low. Front kick, jump, high kick with the kiak. Front hand inside, punch, punch. Back stance, single knife block. Big stance, elbow. Back fist punch. Repeat the other side. Elbow, back fist punch. Left foot step and baro.